How to set up sick leave on Workfolio. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit the sick leave settings on Workfolio. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, from there what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on leave settings. Then you're going to see the option sick leave. All you'll need to do is tap on the pencil icon that says edit this leave type. After you have done that, from there you can set in the amount that persons will be able to get for leave. So for example, 12 days per year. Then from there you can select whether it be annual or so on. And you can also enable leave carry forward if you want. And you can choose whether it will be paid or unpaid. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save changes and you can see right there. You could also edit casual leave if you want, and if it is a case that you would like to add a new leave, you can do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.